family. I just want to show you my newest addition. My camper is equipped with propane, but again, I'm not a big fan of propane. So I got a 2-quart mini air fryer. I got it from Aldi. I think it was like $29 or $39.99 or something like that. So under 40 bucks. This would be great because the girls like to do French fries. So that way I can cook one thing in there and then do the fries in here. So I'm super excited. I love it. So I'm super excited to add this to the arsenal. I'll show you my setup. And then we even got a bigger TV. It was on sale at Walmart for $88. The one I paid for my previous video was like $150, but that's before all the prices dropped on the TV. So we decided to get a bigger TV because that one was tiny. And yeah, still setting up. The girls still hanging out in them streets around the campground. They got a cup. They get free refills on their drinks. Hallelujah. They can go get drinks all day long. They don't have to bother me. They know to stay together. They know not to go inside anybody's camper. They know once it gets dark to come back here and put their headlights on and go from there. So I'm not really worried about them. So they'll be back in a little bit because they'll be hungry. So bye.